Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You act fast. Take the Airpods and case out of the washer and open the lid. You want to remove standing water right away. Shake each bud gently with the stem down and blot surfaces with a lint-free cloth. Once done, inspect speaker meshes and the case hinge area for lint or fabric fibers and remove them with a soft brush or toothpick. Make sure not to push debris deeper. Place both units with openings facing down on an absorbent towel to continue passive draining. Now you begin controlled drying. Transfer Airpods and case into a sealed container with silica gel packets that pull moisture away. Leave them undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Do this because slow, cool drying reduces corrosion risk. Never use a hair dryer, oven, or direct heat above 40 degrees, which can warp plastic and ruin seals. While waiting, gently clean the charging contacts with a lightly dampened 70% isopropyl swab. And after adequate drying, put the Airpods back in the case, close the lid, and charge for 15 to 30 minutes to see if they power on, then pair and play audio. If nothing happens, return to the drying step for another day and re-clean contacts, because trapped moisture often causes delayed failures. If sound is intermittent, reset Bluetooth on your device, test each bud separately, and inspect meshes for residue. If problems persist, seek professional repair or Apple service to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.